Welcome everybody, it's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Today we want to talk about Manchester United's female football team, about the rest of the league in general, and hopefully this season is going to be a good season for Manchester United female team. First I want to say congrats to Manchester United male team for finishing this international season, first leg of the international season injury free. Yeah, but before we get into it, without any further ado, referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Make sure everybody drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're brand new. Spread the word loud and proud. The post official is here and we're back and ready to go. Today, Manchester United won 2-0 against West Ham in West Ham over London. That's the second half of the game, which all the goals scored in the second half, so that's a good plus, right? But yeah, it was a good game. Not a lot of chances in the first half. Not a lot of chances in the second half either, but Manchester United finished the game 2-0 up. We had a goal disallowed in the first half. West Ham had a goal disallowed in the second half offside. So all in all, it was good. Lucia Garcia scored a first goal on a break. Skip past our defender. The goalkeeper scored. And a Blundell scored from the top of the 18-yard box. Sweet goal on the top bottom right corner. Another sweet goal. So good 2-0 win. And now that we have a 2-0 win, that means we and Arsenal and Aston Villa are the only teams undefeated so far in the season after 2 games in. The first round was cancelled because of the Queen's death, but that round will be played, I think, this Wednesday. So we have a game against Tottenham, which was the first game of the season. Can't wait to play that game. But yeah, Manchester United won 2-0. Arsenal won again, which is they beat Tottenham this round. Aston Villa won 2-0 as well. Chelsea beat Manchester City 2-0. I mean, the Manchester City team doesn't look dangerous at all. They don't look dangerous at all. I don't know if it's because the Chelsea team, the defending champion Chelsea, are just good in containing Manchester City, but they just don't look dangerous. They don't look dangerous at all. So looking forward to see how they look throughout this in the season. We know that Chelsea lost this last game against Liverpool. However, they should have won. They would have won, but Liverpool came back and won 4-3. Looking forward to see the next game with Liverpool today. Liverpool versus Everton. That's going to be fun. But again, Manchester United top of the league. Chelsea, Arsenal top of the league, goal difference. Big up yourself, Arsenal. You've been dominating this league. It's women's league for a while now. Chelsea won it last year, but Chelsea and Arsenal have been winning the league for quite some time now. Manchester United just came into the WSL 4 years ago, and so this year will be our year. So watch yourself, Arsenal. Watch yourself, because we're coming for you. Remember that. Anyway, people, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing. Spread the word. Spread to your friends, your family, co-workers. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. Manaz.